Here's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, HEMI engine, forged aluminum wheels, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. Car and driver muses, we doubt they're given to popping celebratory champagne corks very often at Jeep headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, but now just might be a good time. Experience the Jeep life. Take it for a test drive today.
Here at Napleton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we care about you. Stop by anytime. We're easy to find at 11,055 West Dundee Road in Arlington Heights, Illinois.